Hey, foodies! Today we're diving into a flavor-packed adventure with a chicken wrap recipe that's not only delicious but also a fantastic way to use up those kitchen leftovers. Let's get cooking! First thing, heat up a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Drop in a tablespoon of garlic paste, followed by half a teaspoon of ginger paste. Give it a swirl. Let those aromas mingle for a couple of minutes. Now let's add some texture. Chop up a medium-sized onion into small cubes and toss them into the pot. Mix it all up until the onion becomes a delightful part of the flavor symphony. Time to introduce our star player, sliced chicken. I'm using some leftover chicken breast here, a fantastic way to recycle those kitchen treasures. Season it up with half a teaspoon of black pepper and half a tablespoon of paprika. Mix it all together and let the chicken dance with the flavors. Just after, add a tablespoon of oyster sauce and half a tablespoon of barbecue sauce. Mix it until every piece of chicken is coated in that mouth-watering goodness. Now let's get our veggies in the game. Slice up half a zucchini and drop it into the mix. After a few minutes, add some sliced capsicum, let it cook for an additional 3 minutes, and then turn off the heat. Your filling is now a party of flavors. But wait, there's more. Let's whip up a quick and zesty sauce for our wrap. Mix together some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard sauce, and a hint of green chili for that extra kick. Spoon in some of that flavorful chicken mix, sprinkle some grated cheese on top, and fold it up the way you like it. Then place it in your sandwich or panini maker. And there you have it. Our chicken wrap is ready to steal the spotlight on your plate. It looks as good as it tastes, so go ahead, take a bite, and enjoy the deliciousness. Hey, wonderful people! If you're vibing with my recipes, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and join my channel, Masha Cooking Tales. I would love to notify you each time I prepare a new dish. Let's rock this together. Love you all.